No. Don't do it. Don't do it. Ow, you know, bitch. What is under there that you want? A penny? Fuck that.
She said, fuck that.
You know what? That hurts. Don't do it. Look at her.
I know. She definitely needs to be fixed. So vocal.
Stop it. Right now. Be a good puppy.
She looks like a clown dog.
Be good. Be good. No. She's so mean. She comes back all the time, dude. She never gives up. Never. I mean, I'll give up before she gives up. Guaranteed. I'll be like 5 years.
She's a fat dog.
Ooh. I'm gonna start biting her, dude.
I do.
How are you doing?
I want to see her viciousness up close. I'm glad I didn't keep this dog.
I'm glad I got her.
Oh, really?
She's all, oh, you can't cover her.
Oh, can tear up the case now. Oh, she peeing.